Hello children, welcome in DAV Mall Public School, e-learning class of pre-primary section. I am your Bharti teacher and today's subject is mathematics and our topic is how to make number line. So children, we need for our activity scrapbook, favicol, scale, calendar numbers, draw the 11 marks with the help of pencil and scale. Now cut the strip with the help of scale. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is your number line from 0 to 10. You can also draw the number line in your scrapbook or your copy. We need for it scrapbook, sketch pen, scale, pencil. Draw the 11 marks with the help of sketch pen or pencil. Now write the number from 0 to 10 on your number line. Write your name on that page and class and topic and send the photo on our WhatsApp group. Thank you very much children. Have a nice day. In next video, we will discuss another mathematics activity.